Well, today I'm going to show you how to make masks out of blue shop towels. It's about the best material I've found that filters out uh, most of the bacteria and microbes. Take a shop towel, cut it in half. When you cut it in half, you're going to have two blanks for masks. So now you've got two masks. So put one of them out of the way, and you see how easy it tears. We're going to do something about that. We're going to get that out of the way, and I'm going to show you how to reinforce a blue shop towel with the glue, so that they don't tear so easily. So I'll put a little dab of glue. I'll bend it over. Make sure you don't burn your fingers, because that's what hot glue is. It's hot and it will burn your fingers. So I found that if I just pre-crease it like this, and then if I put some hot glue on there and bend it over, I've got a very good seam that reinforces that side. So the top and the bottom is still can be torn pretty easily. So I put a bead of hot glue across the top, and I put a bead of hot glue across the bottom, and that reinforces the top and the bottom. So basically, here's your blank for a mask. Also put just another little bead on the sides there, just for insurance. Now it's time to put the reinforcement for where the elastic goes. So I put some glue, smear some in each corner. And I found that 6.5 inches is the right amount of elastic to use. So I cut these strips off at 6.5 inches. And I'm going to put a little more hot glue, some fresh hot glue, and I'm going to take my stick and I'm going to bury it down in there so I'm not getting my fingers hot. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'll put a little bit more hot glue, and then I'll take the elastic, put it at an angle, put the stick on there. So we're not done yet. I need to put some staples. Probably don't need to, but it's insurance to make sure that it doesn't fall off while you're standing in a grocery store line or something. So a couple of staples on each corner. And at this point, if you put it on like this, it would have some gaps. So to eliminate those gaps and to tighten it up, I put a little glue in there and pinch that. I fold it over in half and put some on the other side, and I pinch that. And then on the sides, I have to do the same thing. So I'll fold it over in half, put some glue, pinch it, fold it over in half, put some glue, and then I pinch it. And at this point, you have a mask. This is a mask that you can use to wear, and it doesn't matter. It's not up. There's no upside down or right side up. It's a mask that you can use. Go do your thing. I'll put one on just to show you. These are some that I made. Well, I hope this helps everybody. One of the things I did find out, I've got these glasses on, and it doesn't fog your mask or fog your glasses up when you wear the mask. But please, don't go buy all of the blue shop towels. You don't need to do that. You can get 100 masks out of a single roll. Yeah, so don't go hoard these things. I mean, you can supply your entire neighborhood with a single roll. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it and hope it helps. Good luck with the coronavirus.